Yes, ChatGPT can help you achieve this income milestone, but success depends on leveraging its capabilities effectively. Here are several lucrative methods: digital product creation, affiliate marketing, freelance services, chatbot development, and social media management. Scaling requires consistent output and strategic marketing. ChatGPT can automate tasks and generate multiple income streams. Profitable niches include e-commerce, content marketing, education, and technology. Absolutely. ChatGPT can assist in creating passive income streams like writing ebooks or automating affiliate marketing. The time frame depends on your strategy. Freelancers may earn within weeks, while passive income might take months. For many, yes, ChatGPT can enable a full-time income through freelancing or digital products. Success needs consistency. To attract premium clients, showcase high-quality samples, offer niche-specific services, and build an online presence. Many have leveraged ChatGPT for six figures, including content creators in affiliate marketing and businesses with chatbots. While powerful, it's important to improve your skills, diversify income streams, and use ChatGPT ethically. The key lies in combining ChatGPT's capabilities with your expertise. Use it as a booster, focusing on high-value markets. Identify a profitable niche, create a portfolio, build your online presence, and experiment with income streams. ChatGPT can be a game changer for those aiming to earn $200,000 a year. Leverage it wisely for immense success.